so we're going to work on a job listing or job advertisement portal. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we have to first of all extract the file. Now, once you're done extracting, well, the next step will be to copy the file you've extracted to your local disk C, of course, local disk C here, and XAMPP, and then paste it in your htdocs and the project folder which we created earlier on, and then you put your job portal here. Now, inside here somewhere is the SQL file to create our database. Now, this is it here, source code star job portal something something. So we open it up using open with edit with notepad plus plus, obviously. So now that we've copied our job portal, this thing, let's go and open it up and see. So let's just say localhost / projects. You can see it here, and then job portal. Now we should get an okay. Well, it's opened. Yeah, sure, but we can't log in. We cannot log in. So let's try to log in using whatever it is, but it's going to crash. It's going to crash. So log in, and then it's going to crash. Why? Because it says MySQL cannot connect. MySQL connect. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to go and create a database. So let's just say localhost, or let's just open a new tab to do that. So let's just say localhost / php my admin. Hit enter, and it should open up soon. Waiting for it to open up. Now, if you followed every procedure I asked you to follow while installing XAMPP and configuring XAMPP, you shouldn't have issues like this. So now we want to create the database. So we have to come here. Now we have to set a database name. You can see here, first of all, it's to click new. And to ask you database name, you can see it here, create database name. So we need to make sure the name tallies with what we have in this SQL file. So we copy C from line 21 to 23. If you're using Notepad++, you should see it there. Database, you can see the exact same line. Then copy this. This is the name minus the quotes. So Ctrl V and create. Now, once that is done, the next thing we need to insert the tables and the query codes as it is. So click on SQL, this tab, SQL tab here, and then come back here and copy everything. Ctrl A and Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V, and then the next thing is you're gonna see go here. Please go button, click on it, and the database should be created within seconds, and then we're done. Now let's go back to our browser and then refresh. Now you see we're no longer getting an error message. We're saying wrong username or password. Good. So we click OK. Now we're done. So next thing is just to log in using our credentials. So let's go back here. Let's just see the readme file. Let's see if I kept anything important there. Yes, I have the login details here. Username is admin, password is admin. Now to log in as an employer, now that's for the user, an employer, Janob, and then password is Janob as well. So let's just log in using admin credentials. Let us see. So, and then username is admin, and then password is admin. Now we're logging in as administrator. Let's just log in here. Okay, now this is the administrator panel, and then we can see manage job seekers. That is, these are those who are looking for employment. As you can see, totally we have no records. Here we can manage the news. That is the job listings. We have feedback. Users can give you feedback, and then you can also manage users. You can delete users if someone violates the policies. You can delete. You can also create user here, and then you can also have the home directory account, and you can log out here, and then we can log in as an employer. Okay, so we saw it's Janob, and then Janob. So we can log in. Okay, now it's asking me to save. Well, you can save, and then this is a control panel for the what's it called, the employer. Are we here now? So that is all. So let's log out, and next, that's it.